So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some color to our robot that we just got done creating. So something like this, but maybe add more than that, and then we'll get into some other things too. So let's just jump right back into this guy. And before we do anything else, we should probably just save it real quick. So just do a file, save, or save as if you've already saved it. And when you save in Blender, just tell it where to go. So I'm just saving it into a folder, into a Blender folder that I've created. And then down here in red, it shows up if you're replacing. So I've already saved it. That's why mine's showing up in red, but yours won't be. So, and then give it a name. Don't leave it untitled, and then just click save. And then you should be good. Okay, so now we're going to add some color. So the first thing we need to do in order to add color is if we try and add color to a face here, so we'll click on something, and then if we come over here to this little icon that looks like a beach ball, materials property, and then if you go over here to base color, click on that, and then just choose whatever color you want. So when I click on that, nothing happens because you are in this solid mode. So we got to get out of this solid mode that only shows modeling and come over here to one of these other views. So that one right there, or you can go to render mode too. Sometimes this gets a little bit more laggy. It also shows lighting a little bit more too. So I'm going to just stay in this one for right now. Your other option, you could have pressed the letter Z once, and you can go from render, wireframe, solid, and then back again. So that's kind of a cool way to look at things and stuff. Okay, so I'm in this materials preview right now. So I've got my first color by just clicking. And once I've done that, if I want to do a secondary color up here, you can name your colors. Right now I'm just going to leave that alone. I'm going to click on the plus, and that'll give me a new material. And then I need to go ahead and go to new, and then all this information pops up under my materials, and choose a new color. So now I've got two colors created, and then to make it actually work, you actually have to select what you want to have be that color, click, and then click assign. So come back over here, select another face, click assign. So, and I could do multiple ones at the same time if I wanted to. So if I want to like make his shoes, hold down shift, I can select a whole bunch of faces and then click on that and click assign, and then kind of keep coming back to that. So if I want to add a third color, just kind of same thing, add another, click new, choose that new color that I want, and then click on the faces, and then click assign. So once you do that, you could actually still change the color. So maybe I decide, oh, I don't like that orangish color, so I could come right up to here and change that to something else, and it'll change everywhere. So that's one of the pros. It could also be one of the cons, but that's how you add color in Blender.